In this video I wanted to talk to you about hard and soft vowels. Some vowels in Swedish are hard and some are soft, and this will determine some of the letters that go before and how they are pronounced. And I'll give you some examples and show you how to say them. The soft vowels are E, I, Y, Ä, Ö. And the hard vowels are A, O, U, Å. So, the letters or the consonants that these vowels affect are K, okay, G, G, and SK, SK. So if you have a word that begins with a K, it depends, is it followed by a soft or hard vowel? So, if it's followed by a soft vowel, for example, Ö, then the K becomes soft. So instead of saying K, like a hard K, we say sh, almost like the shush sound when you're telling somebody to be quiet. Sh. So, for example, köpa. So this is soft, köpa. Whereas kaka is hard because it's the case followed by an A, which is a hard vowel. So köpa and kaka. Okay. The next one where this happens is G. G. So we take a similar example. So G followed by Ö is as in the word gör is soft, so it's almost like a y sound, like a y sound, soft y sound, or like the Swedish j, y. Gör, whereas gå is pronounced hard because the G is followed by å, which is a hard vowel. So gör and går. This means that also the Swedish way of saying Gothenburg or Göteborg is soft in the beginning because that's a G followed by an Ö. So the correct way of saying Gothenburg in Swedish is Göteborg. There's a soft G in the end as well, actually. Göteborg. Okay. Finally, SK. I'll give you two examples. So the sound that it produces when it's soft is like the 7 sound. Most people say it in the back of the throat. It's almost like, but just very soft. You can also say it in the front of the mouth. Some people do. It's a little bit of a dialect thing. So you can say it sh as well. Most people say h. So, for example, skinka, because SK followed by I makes it soft. Skinka. Whereas a word such as skola would be just as it reads, just SK, just a normal sk, skola. So, soft vowels, E, I, Y, Ä, and Ö. And hard vowels A, O, U, Å, and they affect words beginning with K, such as in köpa, words that begin with G, such as in gör, and words that begin with SK, such as in